Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the board background in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards section. From here we either have to go into a workspace where we have boards, or we can just go into the board that you want to edit right here. See, it's the basic board. Now in the top right corner we tap on the three dots, and then again in the top right corner we find the three dots in the top row right here. You just tap on this, and here under this little image we find background. If you tap on this, then we can select either some colors for the background, or we can select photos. Now there are some suggestions for photos here. We can search, so yeah, we can customize it however we want to. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.